Hello again, it's Woda, another Google Sheets tutorial. This time we're going to deal with count and count A functions. This is going to be a quick one. There's not a lot to this, so let's just do it. All right, so in this little Google spreadsheet assignment thingy that I've got here, the number 2 here says tally the total numbers of names in column A using count A function and then place that number in cell E1. Well, this is cell E1. I want to mention here there's count and there's count A. When you're doing count, that is specifically for sets of numerical data, numbers. If you're using count A, that is for text. That's the only difference in the two. And now as I'm reading that might be confusing too, because you think count A is that because it's in column A. That is not true either. The A just indicates that we're dealing with text and not numbers. So this could have been in column B, C, D, whatever. So here's how you do this. Equals count A, parentheses. Again, there's your instructions. I'm going to select this set of data. So I want to know how many columns or how many cells of data are there in here. I can show you another thing too here. So I'm going to end the parentheses and enter, and there is 20 items in here, and that's easy to do. It says 21, but that you can figure that out on your own. But something cool is maybe you were going to be adding to this list of data at some point, but you haven't quite yet. So let's say we want to make it go all the way down to row 30 here. So let's adapt this formula here to say A2 to A30, but it still should return 20 because there's only 20 pieces of data in that range, right? And if I added my name there, it should go up to 21. So that's counting data in a cell. So if you enjoyed the video, I hope you did. You can say thanks, Woda, or something, or you can get a hold of me if you have any questions. wodajr@collins-cc.edu, or that's Gmail or Google Chat, or you can get me on Twitter @mrwoda. Have a great day. Bye.